Hello guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel. There is a today big update for the candidate, those who have written the JPSC Assistant Engineer Examination advertisement number 8 2018 and 19. So for that you need to go to the official website jpsc.gov.in. In that you will be getting the two links. First link is for the electrical candidate and the second link for is the civil and mechanical. So for first you need to click on the link. Once you click on the link you will be getting the PDF that you download it. When you will be getting the complete details regarding that, how to claim and what is the last date for sending the your answer key. So there is a exam which was held from 9th April 2021 to 10th April 2021 and the last date for sending the your answer key is 5th of June before 5 o'clock. Once you decided whichever question is wrong, you have to note down all the things in the PDF in this form and you have to send the mail. The mail ID is answerkey@jpsc.gov.in. So how you had to claim is that you had to take 3 printout of this PDF. One for the general ability and one for the paper 1 and paper 2 of your respective branches. And just think there is a mistake only on general ability, then you just leave the general ability and just strike out the paper 1 and paper 2. If you think there is a mistake only in the paper 1 alone, then you leave the paper 1 as such and strike out the general ability and paper 2. So you have to strike out which is not applicable. So below that you have to write the Prashn Pustika Shrinkhala, means you have to write your booklet series number. As for example, if it is A, you write A. If it is B, you have to write B, C, D. Then come to the down. When you then there is a serial number, question number and the ideal answer key. Means you have to note all the serial number, the question number which you think JPSC has given the wrong answer. Then beside of this column you have to write what should be the ideal answer key, and the fourth column you have to write what the candidate has answered, and the last column you have to provide the reference which proves that the official answer which released by JPSC is wrong, and in that regard you can claim by giving the reference. As for example, any standard book, like suppose it is if FMHM fluid mechanics, then you have to write the author name, publication, author name, which publication, which page number. You just give all the details, and at the last you have to write the candidate name, signature with date, संकाय का name and the advertisement number, विज्ञापन संख्या. When you scroll down you will be getting all the answer key which is released by the JPSC. The first one is for the general ability test. Here you will be getting for the series A, series B, series C, series D. This is common for all the branches. Again when you scroll down you will be getting for the civil engineering paper 1 model answer key, and the next you will be getting civil engineering paper 2 model answer key. Again when you scroll down you will be getting for the mechanical engineering and paper 2. Once you filled all the things which you think is wrong in this PDF, what you have to do, you have to scan it and then you have to send to the mail ID answerkey@jpsc.gov.in on or before 5th of June before 5 o'clock. So remember that last date is to 5th of June. On or before 5th of June before 5 o'clock you have to send it. If you think that should be considered by the JPSC, then please feed it in your head that the last date is 5th of June. Okay, so thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and try to share this video as much as you can, and please stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, and I'm signing out until we meet again.